Welcome back to Sam's Watch Review. Today we are revisiting the Casio DBC-32. I reviewed this watch before, but after using it for a longer time, I wanted to share my updated thoughts. Is it still one of the best budget calculator watches in 2026? It has the classic retro look, but it also includes several useful features that the famous CA-53 does not have. In this video, I will share 3 reasons why I still like this watch and a few things you should know before buying one. The first reason is the backlight. Unlike the CA-53, the DBC-32 has an amber LED backlight. This makes it much easier to read the time at night or in dark places. It also has auto light. Press and hold the light button to activate it. Then just tilt your wrist and the light turns on automatically. It makes daily use much more comfortable, and even with the backlight, this watch is rated for a 10-year battery life, which is twice as long as the CA-53. The display is another strong point. The screen feels larger and easier to use. The numbers are clear and easy to read, and the day of the week can be shown in 13 different languages. With this watch, you always have a calculator ready whenever you need it. Of course, the buttons are still very small. If you have large fingers, pressing the right button can take some practice. Or you can use the tip of a pen tube for better accuracy. Another useful feature is Telememo. It can store up to 25 names and phone numbers. Today, most people use their phones, but it can still be useful for emergency contacts or other important information. And if you don't like the button beeps, you can mute them. Just go to calculator mode and hold the lower right button. Easy. The DBC-32 also has 5 multifunction alarms, with a snooze function for alarm number 1. You can set them as daily alarms, for a specific date, or as monthly reminders. They are very useful for remembering anniversaries, bill payments, and other important events. Now let's talk about a few things to consider. First is the water resistance. This part is still a little confusing. Casio does not clearly show a water resistance rating. Most watch fans consider it suitable for small splashes or light rain. However, I would avoid wearing it in the shower or when swimming. It's better to be careful. Then the resin glass can scratch quite easily if you're not careful. Also, surprisingly, this watch does not have a countdown timer. That is one feature I wish Casio had included. Even so, I still think the DBC-32 offers very good value. You get a calculator, a backlight, 5 alarms, data telememo, and a unique retro design with 10-year battery life. If you want more features than the CA-53, especially the backlight, I still think the DBC-32 is the better choice. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next review. Have a great day.